Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Toy Box Titans. I'm coming back after 14 days. My ratio is getting better than 2 years. But today I got a little special something for you guys. Blizzard Entertainment, not the new Blizzard. Uh, let's pretend it's the old Blizzard to get the jailer out of here. This was a set that came out in 2023. So it says here it may contain time sensitive redemption. So I'm 2 years late to the party. But we have five whole ass boxes here to open today, guys. All right, guys, we got box number one here. We're going to tear into this bad boy. We'll get this going here. Okay, so you can see the art of the box. It looks pretty good. You got Elite Torn Chieftain. You got the jailer there. That jailer fuck. You got Mommy Starcraft over here. All right, let's read this. Blizzard Legacy Collection Trading Cards. This box contains an assortment of Blizzard Entertainment Legacy Collection cards, randomly inserted. Ugh. Randomly inserted into these specially marked packs are the following: Blizzard Legacy Collection, Horde Parallel, 1-to-1, Molten Core. Okay, I don't give a fuck about this. Well, I can't wait anymore. I'm fiending for some packs here. Alrighty, pack number one. You can see, I think that's an Overwatch character. I don't really play any Overwatch. But let's get into the first pack. Alright, first pack. Let's go. StarCraft. We got Phoenix. Deckard Cain. That old fuck. Leoric. Nice, nice. Oh, that's a pretty cool card. I love the artwork for that. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Uh, Trollbane. This old geezer. We got Lunera from Hearthstone. We got Greymane with his bad boy alter ego. Of course, we got to have the ETC, the Elite Tauren Chieftain. He's rocking the fuck out. I love it. And then we got this Swamp Fuck, Nemsy Necrofizzle. Holy fuck. That's pretty cool. Alright, second pack, guys. Let's get right into it. I ain't dilly-dallying. We're looking for those big hits. Just something. We want something big. Okay, we got Gul'dan. We got our main guy. We have Malfurion Stormrage. Who we got here? Oh, Manroth. That's fucking cool. From Warlords of Draenor trailer. What's this? The fuck is this? This. Oh! What the fuck? Okay, this is some kind of. This is some kind of special card. What's going on here? I don't fucking know. I'm gonna put that to the side because that's a special one. We got our boy Uther. Oh, 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 oh. The fuck is this? Vala. That's a pretty cool card. We got the Butcher from Diablo. That's pretty fucking cool. Okay, what's this? I don't know what cards are big hits and I don't know what's not, but this one's different, so I'm gonna put it in the different pile here. Then we're gonna get into another pack here, guys. I'm hoping for something huge. I really don't know what's going on in these packs, but there's got to be some special cards here. Okay, let's flip this. Oh, holy fuck! We got Gromash Hellscream himself. Oh, that's an old Blizzard one. Rock and Roll Racing. That's pretty cool. Heroes of the Storm. We got Cassia. We got the Lord of Hatred himself, Diablo. That's pretty cool. We got this bitch, just chilling, aura farming. We got Mephisto. That's looking cool. We got our OG. We got Thrall. That's a pretty cool card. And then we just got some troll fucker looking in the distance in the Orgrimmar. Oh shit! Sorry, my bad. Disrespect. Vol'jin. That's a pretty cool card. All right, another pack. So far, looks like we got 2 hits, so that's not too bad. Let's get into it. We have Mercy. We got Lady Vosh. World of Warcraft. Ooh, Blackthorn. That's a cool card. We got this wheelchair guy. We got Zenyatta, whoever the fuck that is, Overwatch. We got Asmodan. That's a pretty cool one. I bought him in Heroes of the Storm. Varian, that's a pretty cool one. You see that? And we have Adept. I don't know who the fuck that is. Yep, StarCraft. Alright, guys, another pack here. No fucking around today. Looking for huge hits. I don't really care about these basic ass cards. But let's go. Okay, we got Illidan Stormrage. I was not prepared for that one. We got this lady. We got Akama. Yeah, he's from TBC. That's pretty cool. We got this squid-looking fuck from StarCraft. We got the Hellbat. I don't know what that's from. I don't know who the fuck this is. Magda from Diablo. We got the Siege Tank from StarCraft. And we got Anduin. We got our little bitch boy for the Alliance. Okay, guys, not the worst, not the best, but hopefully we'll get some big hit today. That's all I'm really looking for. And we have Tychus Finley. We have Zool. We got Morgul, the Murloc. That's a pretty cool card. Malagos from Warcraft. We got the Prophet himself, Velen. Oh shit, this is cool. I don't know who this guy. Probably Diablo. Yeah. Servant to the Lord of Despair. Rakanoth imprisoned Ariel when the Prime Evil invaded the heavens. Okay. Okay, very cool. Thanks for sharing. Okay, Adria, Diablo, and we have Jaina Proudmoore. Okay, guys, last pack from this first box here. We're going to rip into it and see what we get. We have Reinhardt from Overwatch. We have this Bugfuck from StarCraft. We have Hearthstone picture. We got Anduin. Another Leoric from Diablo. I think, I don't know who this is. Gromash Hellscream. That's a cool card. Nova from StarCraft. And we got Banshee. Alright, we'll get into the next box. Alright, we got second box here. Comment down below what cards you think we're going to get. I'm thinking it's either going to be the legendary Cubicle Crawl card, or we're going to get that Breast Milk in the Fridge legendary. So we'll just have to wait and see. Pack number 1. Second box. We're locking in. Here we go. Starting off crazy strong. Chen Stormstout. And then we have Uther again. We have this guy again. Prophet Velet again. This is new. Lily. We got that Lily. We got all the Windrunner mommies. You can see we got Sylvanas. We got Kel'Thas Sunstrider just chilling. And then we have Nezaram Dark Templar, obviously from StarCraft. Another pack. Pouring one out for the homies. Oh, that pack was giving me struggle. Okay, here we go. Ooh. Ooh. Not another copy. Lily. Bastion, that's a new one. The Lost Vikings. Oh, that's cool. That's one of their first little retro games they've made. Okay, look at this. Another one of these cards. I have no idea what this card is, if it's like a digital reward. Let me know in the comments if you know, but I'll put it up here. We got Deckard Cain again. Lilith just chilling. That's a different Thrall art. That's pretty cool. And then we have SCV. That's probably like some fucking mech from StarCraft. Another pack. Starting off with Torbjorn, dwarf from Overwatch. That's pretty cool. Don't Anduin again. Blackthorn. I've never seen that. That must be one of their older games too. We got this bitch boy again. Another Uther art. That's pretty cool. Another Jim Raynor. I haven't seen that art yet. Maeve Shadowsong. Sick armor in the game. And then we have Arcturus, another StarCraft guy. Don't know any StarCraft. Sorry, guys. Another pack. Let's go. I'm feeling good about something. Something's in here. Alexstrasza, Dragonflight. You love it. Mecha Jaraxxus. That's definitely from Hearthstone. We got Arana, Starseeker. We got Redgar, Earth Fury. We got this robot from StarCraft. Malthael, that's like the guy of death from Reaper Souls. That's pretty cool. Zoltan Cool. So fucking cool, dude. And we got this guy, obviously, again, from StarCraft. Anyone I don't know, I'm just going to assume it's StarCraft. Okay, another pack. Come on. This bitch boy from Overwatch. This Giga Chad killed Jaden. That's pretty cool fucking art, actually. That's really cool. This guy, Donzo. Oh! Ultimate ready. What the fuck is this? It's a different. Is this got a code? Is this a code for you guys out there? Maybe I don't fucking know. I don't know. I'll have to check. I don't fucking know. I'll put it up there. Put that shit up there. Okay, I like this. The Lost Vikings. Another one. This is a new Diablo art. That's pretty cool. I like that a lot. I'm gonna put that up there. Zul'jin. And you got Imperius. That is a sick armor set. Why aren't we getting that in World of Warcraft? What new sets we're getting? I'll put up a new set from modern World of Warcraft. It's just fucking atrocious. Okay, we have next pack, Rock and Roll Racing. Just Rock and Roll Racing. Rock on, dude. We got DVA, Overwatch. We got Heroes of the Storm, Zagara. This troll fucker. Medivh. World of Warcraft, obviously. Turalyon, Broken Sword. Okay, that's sick art. Gul'dan. That's pretty cool. And we have Tassadar. Alright, another pack here, guys. Okay, this pack's gonna be good. We have Hearthstone art of Jaina Proudmoore. We have Overwatch art of this junk ass rat. We got a picture of me and the boys. That's a pretty surprising one, actually. Holy shit. Comment down below which one looks like what. Okay, we have a Widowmaker, another Torbjorn, Drone. We got Bal, or Ball, he ballin'. And Arthas Menethil, that is a really cool card. Obviously, one of the best characters in World of Warcraft. Who are we kidding? DJ Khaled, another one. Let me get this open for you guys. Okay, box number 3. Let's go. Oh, this one's kind of fucked up. We'll start with that one. Okay, box number 3, first pack. What are we getting into today? We got another Anduin. Another Chen Storm Stout. Another Uther. Ooh. Oh. Another. Wait, did we get one of those already? Let me check. Nope, that's a new one. Okay. The Herodric Cube from Diablo. Oh, you know what it is? Okay, we might get all the pieces. I think you actually use them just to make the Herodric Cube. But we got Tyrael. We got this one again. I think we had the Banshee one already, and we obviously had those ones. Nothing new in that pack. Let's hope for something a little more juicy in this one. All right. We have Star Seeker, okay, obviously from Hearthstone, didn't know that. We got Rhaegar again. We got Doomfist in your mom for days. We got Kil'jaeden. We got Daneth Trollbane again. I'm pretty sure this guy became a bitch in War Within. Let me know if that's true. Zertful, another Diablo, another Zul'jin. Fuck. Okay, another pack. Don't fuck me on this. Okay, Bastion. All duplicates. How bullshit. Okay, another pack here. Flip it and ship it. We got this again, that again, Jaina again. Oh, no, we already had that. Fuck. Okay. We got this guy again. Oh, I'm pretty sure we had that too. But it's pretty cool art. Yep. Okay, another pack. Clapping back. Ain't talking back. Pulling a snack. Smoking some crack. Ain't coming back. Pack swag. Holla back. Oh. All same cards again. Box number 3, guys. Box number 3 has not been doing us any favors here. Let's go. Him again. Prophet Velen again. We got Zagara again. Kael'thas Sunstride. I think that's new art, though. I don't think the other one had him in front of the Dark Portal. That's pretty cool. We got the Dark Templar. We got Lilith Aura farming. And then we have the same artwork of Thrall. Okay, last pack, guys, of this box number 3. Show us something amazing. Nope, we got this Murloc again. We got Malygos. We got Reinhardt again. This fucking alien fuck. We got the Overwatch mommy. We got Jaina Pradmore Mage mommy. We got whoever the fuck this is. And we got another Grommash card. He looks like he's riding an epic mount. That's pretty cool. Box number 4. Oh, what? Hold up. What does box say? Let's connect. If you want to connect with me, you guys want to connect with me, all 350, you want to connect with me, make sure to like and subscribe. Comment on this video, new things you want to see. I'll buy whatever. I'll open whatever as long as you comment. And I am on the gram. If you want to see me on the gram, go to Toy Box Titans. I'll put a little image maybe right here. Maybe I'll put it over here, wherever. And yeah, make sure you guys are commenting. Let me know what you want to open, because I am open to any suggestions. All right, pack number 1. Let's get it. Okay, we got Raynor in his armor, looking cool. Oh, it's a new one. Okay, we got Murky. We got Tyrael. We got a new Medivh card. I'm pretty sure that's from Hearthstone. Hearthstone art. Booyah. We got Arthas Menethil before he got corrupted by Frostmourne. He did nothing wrong. That's a new one. We got Rexxar with his Misha. I don't know. The bear's name something. Half Orc. We got Ogrim Doomhammer. That's new art. That's a new card. And we got this one, probably from StarCraft. Oh, shit. Diablo. Okay. Okay, so far that's pretty good. Couple new ones in there. Open this up. Okay. Illidan. Valeera. We got Valeera starting off. We got Brightwing. That's obviously from Heroes. That's pretty cool. Deathwing in its humanoid form. That's really cool. It's a new one. Okay, see, we got another cube. So I'll put that to the side. See, it's like, I think you get enough pieces, you can actually make the cube. Okay, we got Phoenix. This is new. We got who's that? Dentarg. Holy shit, that looks like me at my peak balls. I'll put it right here. That's fucking crazy. We got Diablo just chilling again, and we have Illidan Stormrage. Pretty cool. Another pack. Ugh. God, some of these packs are tough to open. All right, who do we have? Another Maeve Shadow Song. Okay, this is new. We got Reaper from Overwatch. We got a new Art of Sylvanas. Soldier 76. Haven't seen that one yet. Haven't seen this Art of Gul'dan. That's pretty cool. What the fuck is that? A Baneling. Holy fuck. Malfurion Stormrage, and we have a Hydro Flask. Okay. Another pack for y'all. Let's see what we got going on in here. We got the Lost Vikings 2. That's new. I like to see new cards. Okay, we got Winston. That's new. Mel, that's new. Okay, we got Garrosh Hellscream from Heroes. New card. Okay. This is a good pack. Everything's new so far. We got Avala from Diablo. I'll put that up there. We got this guy. I have no idea. StarCraft. Khadgar pre-wheelchair era. And then we have Kael'thas Sunstrider. I think all those were new, minus one or two, but that was a pretty good pack. And speaking of packs, another pack here for you. We have Lucio. We got new art of the Lost Vikings from Heroes. We got the Paladin, Johanna. That's Heroes. That's pretty cool. Okay, this is new. We got Bronzebeard. We got Varrock Saurfang. We got Queen of Blades. She doesn't even have a single blade. We got Artanis from StarCraft. And we have Sen'jin just absolutely chilling in the Warcraft universe. Okay, another pack. Let's get to it. I don't want this video to be too long. Vikings again. Genji, I think that's new. I don't think we pulled a Genji. Lady Liadrin. Radical Psycho something Racing. That's pretty cool. Butcher. The Lurker. Lane Wern. And we have Archimonde. That's a new one too. That's pretty cool. And last pack from box 4, guys. And then we'll be getting into the last box. Let's go. We have Wrecking Ball. Bro's coming in like a wrecking ball. We have Ash. We got Thrall. We have Zambuca. Or Sombra. We got Sylvanas Windrunner before she became a Banshee. We got this lady chilling all chained up. We got a Marine. And we have Kargath Blade Fist. Bro be absolutely fisted with those blades. Last box. Boom. I'm going to open this up. And praying I get something super rare. I just want a super rare card. Maybe we can finish the cube if we get another couple pieces. But we got our last 7 packs. So let's not waste any time and get into pack number 1. We're starting off with a new card. Okay, RPM Racing. That's pretty cool. A new Barak from Warcraft. We got Farah, this lady. We got Mal'Ganis. That's pretty cool. Tyrael, I think. Yep. The Stalker. We got this old fuck again, and we have Diablo. Another pack. We got a lot of packs today, but that's all right. I be packing. Okay, we got Tracer. We have Swamp Creature, and Gnome Gal. We have Elite Tauren Chieftain again. We got another cube piece. We love to see that. Kil'jaeden. We got Zealot. We got Leoric. We got Deckard Cain. Another pack. Show me something good. Show me something real good. Okay, we have Greymane chillin'. This is new. We got Lunara. That's pretty cool. Hearthstone art of Gul'dan. Heroes of the Storm art of Malfurion. The Dark Wanderer. That's pretty cool. I like that art. We got Phoenix. We got another Vala, and we got another Butcher. Next pack. Let's go. Okay, we got another art of Manoroth. Garrosh. Rock and Roll Racing. At least that's new. Hanzo. We already have that art. Sarah Kegating, I don't know, something. We got Mephisto. We got another Thrall. All right, last 3 packs, guys. Comment down below which one you think is going to be the big hit. I think it's going to be the middle one. So we'll save that for last. Let's go. Ooh, 3 more packs. We have someone new, I think, Cassia. We have Mercy. We got Lady Vosh. I think we already had. What the? Oh my God. Okay. Okay, look at that. That's got a little stamp. The I see you emote. There we go. That's how winners win. We got Ner'zhul. We got fucking Vol'jin again. Azmodan, yep. We got Varian. Okay, one more pack after this. Let's see what we're going to get. Starting off with Blackthorn. Then we got the Wheelchair Guy. Then we have Illidan. Then we have this lady from Heroes of the Storm. We got pretty cool Rock and Roll Racing. This Adept Guy. Hellbat. And then this lady. Alright guys, last pack. Let's see if there is something good in this pack. Something, please. We have Akama. We got Tychus Findley. We have Zool from Heroes. New art at least, but we have Deathwing from Warcraft. We have the Siege Tank. We have Anduin. We have Reikanoth, and then we have Andrea as our last card, guys. All right, guys. Well, we opened this much stuff today, as you can see, and this is what we're walking away with. We're walking away with pieces of a cube. I'll build that to show you. And that's really it, guys. We got this card. I think that's special. And then our best card of the day was this emote guy, Soldier 76. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. As I said earlier in the video, make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe. Let me know what you want to see, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.